Good morning, everybody out there in YouTube world. It's a little early right now. Say a prayer. I have to go to the vet in like 45 minutes. My oldest and smallest dog, Ralphie, he's going to be 12 this September. Well, lately, past few days, he can't even get up like the step to get into my kitchen to go into the house. So he's got something going on in his rear area. And so we called the vet yesterday, and they said for me to bring him over this morning and take it from there. So please say a prayer for Ralph, okay? And I'll keep you posted and let you know what's going on. Anyway, I'm a huge knife collector, okay? Most of you already know that. Been collecting, started grade school, but I wasn't serious about it. It was like the last, decade I really, dove into the world of, knife collecting. It's a fun little hobby. Now, a long time ago, I did my epic video collection, my knife collection, and they've grown since then. But if you notice, there isn't any Damascus blades. I've never owned a Damascus knife. Now, I honestly never really looked into it. I just thought that they were wall hangers, some artsy-fartsy type of steel, hang them up. But apparently, I'm wrong. And my buddy Donnie B all day, he found out about this, and he was just shocked and amazed. So a couple of months ago, he sent me my first Damascus blade. Thank you so much. I'm going to show it to you guys in a second. Now, I hope everybody had a great Father's Day. My kids, I have 3. And my oldest daughter, she took us all out to brunch. And during brunch, she breaks out this big bag, and she just said, "Dad, don't open it here. Wait till you get home." Not in the middle of a restaurant. By the way, it was quite a nice place. It was by accident. It turned out this place we never heard of. It was like at a golf course. We felt like we were in Caddyshack. It was great. We were sitting outside. The tables were high. I had my granddaughter. It was a really wonderful, magical day. Just really was. One of the better Father's Days I've ever had. So anyway, I digress. So I get home and I open up. I told my daughter, I said, just don't get me anything. I don't want nothing. I tell her this every year. So her and my other 2 kids chipped in, and they bought me a Damascus knife. This is awesome. So now I have 2 to add. All right, so let's talk about the one Donnie B gave me first. All right, this one is called by a company called Kotexo, Kotexo, model number KX169. First thing you notice is this really cool, gorgeous, well-made leather sheath. All right, check out this beauty. This, my friends, is 4 millimeters thick. Model KX169. 8.5 inch overall with a 4.5 inch blade, 4-inch handle. This is camel bone with brass and wood spacers. I see the sun won't come in here, so I hope I'm getting a good shot on this. And look at that detail on that Damascus. It says something here about 256 layers. Now, I didn't get that with the bigger boy. I don't know what the layers is on that. I have no idea. But yeah, we'll get to that in a second. So I've had this for a few months. I didn't really play with it. And I'm just like, that is beautiful. This is really beautiful. And this is about all I did. I took a piece of paper. I just wanted to try the sharpness. So we got a pretty sharp ass knife. Okay, look at that nice belly on this blade. Look at that. It's nice and fat, nice and thick. And no, I don't know about the grind. Sorry about that. But so loving this, and then I start looking on my own. What captures my attention? And you know me, I like the bigger boys. So I did send a picture to my daughter of something that caught my attention. I don't want to spend, you know, or have them spend hundreds of dollars on a Damascus blade, not knowing if I'm ever going to use it or not. But this one was on sale. This is the Timberwolf model TW429, 16.5-inch overall. The thing that really caught my eye, by the way, beautiful leather sheath, okay? Awesome, awesome. Well made, for now. Between the Timberwolves and the Timber Rattlers, sometimes these break, so we'll see how long this lasts. Check out this stag handle, big old Bowie knife, clip point edge. I'm gonna have to grab the camera to give you a better view of this in the light. I am a huge stag handle fan. That handle, they say custom handle. So I'm just assuming the blade isn't, but the handle is. The guard is brass plated. And this is, it starts out at like 6 millimeter thick and tapers down to about 5 and then 4, and you know, and I'm going to use the word, everybody. It's got a blood groove on both sides. This was well oiled. This thing was really packed into that Timberwolf box. And it must have been wrapped 3 or 4 times. So it was well, you know, packed. Now, the handle, I see a couple of blemishes, but I'm just going to blame that on the imperfections of it being handmade. Okay? It could be wrong, but that's what I'm going to do. But I'm loving that, like, that stag handle right there. It feels pretty awesome, and it reminds me so much of the greatest, cheapest Bowie knife on the planet, that Timber Rattler Western Outlaw. This is like the Damascus, you know, version, I guess, even though this is Timber Wolf. All right? I still swear they're the same company. I still swear. On the Outlaw, I believe the handguard goes up that way, where this is more towards you. Okay? All right, so how's the sharpness on this? Give it a whirl. That's nice. That is nice. Let's do a couple of drop tests and take it from there. All right? A little preoccupied with the dog on my brain here, so bear with me. How was everybody's Father's Day? Huh? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just do a couple drops. First on the Kotexo. Okay, higher. Seems pretty solid. Yeah, that is pretty darn sharp. So there's the Kotexo KX169. All right. Now for the bigger boy. This thing's pretty beefy, guys. I like that. You just feel this lump. It's pretty heavy. A little higher. Full time, baby. I'm liking it. Now, we know it's cut and paper. I'm sure it'll dice, you know, fruit and vegetables, no problem. Bugger's pretty sharp, but let's see, can it chop? Okay. All right, let's get in here. Let's find a nice area that hasn't been touched. There we go. Then we're gonna check the blade. Okay. I like it. I like it. Just want to chop a little bit, not just to see if I can bust this hard branch in half. I just want to check the edge after I'm done hacking away. Definitely take some nice bites out of this. Let's go a little smaller. Yeah, that's gonna snap in half. A nice little choil there for your finger. Nice shavings. Nice, really quick shavings. If I was out camping though, I'm not using this big old thing to shave, but if it's my only go-to knife, hey, not a problem. So far, so good. That edge is holding up. It's holding up, ladies and gentlemen. Now for the big test. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. All right. The big old water bottle test. Like nothing. I don't even really swing that hard. Quick little cleanup here. All right. Let's check out this beauty. Happy Father's Day to me. Kids, if you see this video, you know I'll cherish this forever. Donnie B all day, as always. Awesome gift. You see what you got me started? You got me started. I already have my next Damascus blade on my brain. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this. Learn a little something. Do I highly recommend? Sure, why not? Never owned a Damascus? Try these guys first. The Kotexo Timberwolf. I'm quite happy. Have a nice, safe day, everybody. And remember, keep little Ralph in your prayers. All right, take it easy, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.